Are you trying to figure out how to install your Lockly Secure Pro Deadbolt?
Yes.
Great! I'm going to go through the installation and setup process step by step, so let's get right into it. Before we get started, let's take a look at everything that comes included in the box. On top is the lock exterior, the interior lock, and the interior mounting plate. And these two boxes have the rest of the parts you'll need for the install. Now that we know what we're working with, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a measuring tape or a ruler. Before starting, remove any existing lock sets so there's an empty door hole. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches. The crossbore hole must be 2 1/8 of an inch diameter. The edge bore hole has to be 1 inch diameter. And the back set should be 2 3/8 of an inch or 2 3/4. The deadbolt comes set to 2 3/8 of an inch. For a 2 3/4 back set, adjust the length of the deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning counterclockwise. Then you just have to turn it until it clicks into place. Make sure the deadbolt slot aligns with the center of the door hole. Also make sure it's in the up and lock position. Then you can attach the deadbolt using 2 of the 4 screws in this bag. From there, grab the lock exterior, making sure the torque plate is vertical. Peel off the film on the adhesive strip, and place assembly and torque plate through the deadbolt slot while guiding the connection cable under the deadbolt. Give it a good press to secure it to the exterior door surface. Then guide the connection cable through the gasket on the undermount plate. Use these 2 provided screws and tighten them by hand, then fully tighten them with a Phillips head screwdriver. I didn't get a very good angle on this, but this is what it should look like when you're done. Use the key to check that the deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly. If it doesn't, you might have to revisit the previous steps to do any adjustments. From there, remove the battery cover on the interior lock and put the thumb turn in the vertical position to match the torque plate shaft. Connect the 2 cable ends until they click together and carefully tuck the cable and connector into the door hole under the deadbolt. Place the interior assembly against the mounting plate and secure the 3 mounting screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. With the door open and the deadbolt fully extended, install the 4 included batteries and hold the program button for 4 seconds. This process verifies correct installation. If everything is good, you can put the cover back on and install the door sensor. You can see mine has a bit of an overhang, so I trimmed it to fit. Remove the adhesive backing and attached it to the door. I aligned the arrow on the other sensor that gets attached to the door frame. You can find that and extra foam pads in this bag to make them as level with each other as possible. I closed the door and did a little check that everything was working properly. Luckily, my existing strike plate was compatible with the new lock, but if yours isn't, they supply a variety of strike plates and screws. There's also a keypad cover included if your door gets a lot of sun exposure. It'll be in this bag. Okay, everything's installed and working like it should be, so let's finish setting it up in the app. Remove the battery cover again and press the programming button to enter programming mode. Press the pairing Bluetooth icon on the left of the keypad. Open the downloaded Lockly app and click Add Lock. Click the top selection and scan the included activation card QR code. Once that's done, it'll prompt you to create your personalized access code. Then the device profile. It'll process all this and then you can set up your fingerprint recognition. You just press your finger 6 times with the beeps and the keypad will say pass if it got it correctly. Now you can unlock your front door with your fingertip, access code, a good old-fashioned door key, and of course the app, which is pretty amazing. That wasn't so bad, right? My favorite thing is that I'll never have a fear of being locked out again with all the different ways to get access. The keyless fingerprint entry is legit. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions, or you can reach out to Lockly directly by email at help@lockly.com. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks to Lockly for sponsoring this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.